Hello everyone, today I'm going to kind of unboxing for N95 mask. So it's from the CareView, and that's how it comes. So it comes with in a set of three. So for I think for 340 rupees you will get three masks. I think that's the cheapest one in the market, and if you can see that specification is FFP2. So it's not NIOSH, but if you're going to search this, so it's very close to or maybe similar to N95 specification, so that's why they are putting N95. So it's very sealed packed, but one of my friend actually said that they have some uh, like uh, not good marks. So I just unbox it all the masks so that I can see, as it's comes with a returnable option. So this is the quality of this. I have also N95 mask before. It's now dirty. If you can see, that's I think bought from the China, and you can see this is the specification which is mentioned by the N95, which is NIOSH. This will not be visible inside it. So what they are doing, it's they have specified for FFP2. So that is another specification. I think it's a European standard, not the USA one. NIOSH is represented by the USA. So it's very similar, and same kind of specification is covered by from Japan as well. So just always when you are buying something, do look for these things, either FFP2 or this one NIOSH. And if you see the quality of both the mask, sorry, that's really dirty. I just going to throw it away. It's like in thickness, it's like very thin as compared to this one, and it also comes with the only elastic. So I bought it for around 50 rupees back in like before the lockdown, and now it comes around 110 rupees. So it's it's costlier than this, but I think with this strap it will be more comfortable, because when I try to place it on over the head, I'm not able to do nicely. So the way I use this mask is with this, which is PM 2.5. It's also getting dirty, I think. So PM 2.5, it has a filter, but it is not close to N95. So what I did is because I need to have something like a visible mask, because it looks not nice on your face. So I put it like that, and then wear it, because it has some like less space, and your chin is not able to cover. So when I use it like that, then I feel really secure with this. But it's really hard to breathe while putting both the masks. If I try to like try to climb the stairs, and while wearing this mask, it will be hard for me to breathe. So uh, scenarios where I wear this mask like this is when I'm visiting very crowded places, so that it will be of short time, and I can feel more secure as compared to the only this one or only this one. Because when it gets wet, its coating it keeps its coating get removed. So it has a coating, I think, for N95 specification. So this is the thing. I think it's value for money right now, and this is the only mask you will get around this price. There are many others which are supported by this specification. I think they are coming around 600 rupees for three masks, or 550 rupees of three masks. So I will just put the link in the description box, and if you have any questions regarding this mask, please comment below. I will try to answer them. They are coming with two ranges. One is for earlobe, and another one is headband. So when I bought this, I thought that it would be ear based, but I think they send me all the headbands. But with this headband, it's really nice, as it has loop for adjustment, and it will be like easy. So but like I said, I'm using it with this, so I will be just cutting off all those things and put it like that. There is a nose clip as well in this for a snug fit, so I might try to get it out, or maybe just leave it as it is. So this is the review for this mask. So I hope you get some information from this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.